break bread with me, brother. Got that pure cake, no butter, no sugar. Asiatic, straight like my brother's soul. Yes, indeed. 7-Up cake, we got pound cake.
Some of that pound cake.
Yes, indeed, brother. There you go. Thank you, brother. You have a good day today. Salam.
Today I begin a new life. For I am the master of my abilities, and today is going to be a great and beautiful day.
What?
I said, today I begin a new life. For I am the master of my abilities, and today is going to be a great and beautiful day. P, you a buyer or seller?
What?
Look at yourself.
How many millionaires you got on, bruh? I count at least 3. Man, what the fuck are you talking about? P, look around, man. You see what I see? I see money. Look at my man over there selling t-shirts. Brother over there selling pies and paper. Cake man over there. Everybody moving, making money, right? While we standing still being broke. I figured all this shit out, man. All this. This whole world moves forward through transactions. Commerce, nigga. The exchange of goods and services. All the real ballin' successful folks are sellers. And all the broke ass people playing catch up are buyers. I ain't trying to go out like that, Pete. I'ma be a seller. I'ma get my own business. Change the game.
What's going on, man? It's your boy C Jizzo, back with another vlog for you guys. I want to make this one better though, trust me, man. We're gonna get on this road. I got a planned route. I'm using the Detach app. It's pretty much a routing app that allows you, it pretty much just plans your routes out for you if you don't really know where to ride to. Me, I'm new to this state, so I definitely needed, a route to take just so I can see some new things, get adjusted to the city. But it'll even generate a random route for you. It'll tell you how long it is, and even plans in the round trip for you if you want to do the round trip. So say you're at home, you want to go somewhere, then you want to come back, it'll plan the round trip for you. So that's pretty cool. You guys seen the fit check before. I got these new Alpine Star gloves. Loving them so far, man. Very, very comfortable. Yeah, man, I got the orange out today. It's a pretty nice day outside, bro. Cause I'm telling you, when that 50, 60 degree weather comes, you gonna want to be loaded up, man. Cause that wind smacks you at high speeds, bro. So yeah, bro, we just vibing out, baby. It's too nice not to ride today, bro. You feel me? It's way too nice of a day not to ride, man. I'm taking advantage of every single day until I can't ride no more. Cause I'll be dead if I ride in 30, 40 degree weather. I don't see how guys do it. I need some winter gear to be doing that, man. And I ain't into that for real. I believe this is my 3rd week going on having the bike. We're at almost 900 miles. 889 is on the odometer right now, so in 3 weeks, we put $1,000 on it, bro. We put 1,000 miles on the bike in 3 weeks, bro. I don't know if that's a good pace. I don't know if that's fast. I don't know if that's slow. But to me, it feels like I got there pretty fast, bro. This is exciting, bro. Hit these back roads, man. I explored these once before. I wasn't vlogging, but these go on forever, man. I ain't gonna lie. Trees look beautiful, man. Transitioning from summer to fall. They always look good, bro. It feels a little weird being this close to the other side, but I'm telling you, man, it might get you out of situation one day. But yeah, I have no idea where I'm going. Like I said, I'm just vibing out, bro. I got a route set. I know I already looked over. I know it's going to take me right back to where I was. So, we just enjoying the scenery right now, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I see y'all fast lane D filling his 1000cc, but let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. I'm treating this ride kind of like a personal reset for me in my life. I say that because I just feel like Since I graduated college, I really haven't been structured with my life, if that makes sense. I need some structure. In college, I played football. I was a collegiate athlete, walk on. So like I know what the structure looks like. I know what it feels like. I know how big on the schedule is. And though like, you know, there's times like it sucks. You know, we have morning workouts. We have meetings almost every day. So it's like you're always thinking about that specific sport or occupation. But it taught me a lot, man. Like, it keeps me organized. I don't work out consistently. Let me see that. I want to be able to say, yeah, I go to the gym 3-4 times a week, which it's not a lot. People go every day, but to actually have that discipline to go 3-4 days a week, it says a lot more about a person than, you know, people actually think. I'm very, very blessed to be in the position I am, as far as work, as far as my relationship. But you know, there's always, you know, stuff to work on or stuff you want to be better. And the only way to do that is to, you know, put the work in, commit to it. As I reflect, I wasn't as fortunate for the position I was in. College and also football has taught me things that I'll carry in my life forever, bro. I'm very, very fortunate for my time in college and everything it's taught me. But yeah, man, this is my restart. I'm going to treat this vlog, I'm going to treat this day as my restart for life, for things I want to accomplish personally, how I want to structure my weeks, how often I want to work out. Everything in life is up to you. Whatever you want to accomplish, whatever goals you have, they're achievable. You just got to put the work in and be consistent. I think we're halfway through our ride already. That was quick. And it's gravel. I don't like that. Let's go to motherfucking let's go to fucking Detroit, y'all boy. But yeah, we're gonna take this little trip to Detroit. I haven't even been to Detroit since I lived here. Only time I went to Detroit was travel with my football team. We were playing Wayne State, and me and a couple guys, we like, well, we're in Michigan, you know, let's hit a dispensary. So basically what happened was, we had a team meeting, I want to say, let's just say it was 7 o'clock. Probably like 5:30, going on 6. Me and the homies, we like, yeah, let's, me and the homies, we like, well shit, let's try to hit the dispensary real quick. We got time, so we waited 20 minutes for the Uber to get there. Now we have like 6:05. It's a 10-minute drive, but when you in Detroit, you know, the traffic is crazy. Then once we got there, we like, all right, man, we got to be in and out. We ended up not even being able to fucking get anything because at that time you needed a medical card, you know, to get the shit. We wasted all our time, and at this point it's probably like 6:45, 6:40. So we like, fuck, we got to get back for this meeting like now. I want to say we got there right before the shit started. But if you play football, especially in college, you know, overtime is fucking late. Coaches weren't pissed off, but they, you know, they peep game. They like, oh, okay, these guys must have went off venturing out Detroit or whatever. But nah, man, those was good times though. College, having a dorm, like, people don't fuck with dorms. I live in a dorm in a house when I was in college. Having that dorm with a solid roommate that you actually fuck with, and that's just a good time, bro. Y'all don't got no bills. It's always food. Like, you don't gotta worry about cooking no more, bro. It's a lot of benefits to college. I can say that, bro. And that's the thing. You gotta be defensive, and you gotta predict other cars' behaviors. Like, I knew far before they even put their blinker on that they were gonna get over. Cause for one, you got off the lane you was in, you passed me, and you rode this car ass for a while. So yeah, you were about to get over eventually. I knew it. What do they say? Drop a gear, disappear? Hell yeah. Copper. We're 70 though, so we're still chilling. I do not trust it, and I want to get the fuck off the road. So that's what we're gonna do. I know Michigan is weird. Okay, I see it. Okay.
Yo, what's going on, y'all boys? It's C Jizzo. Just wanted to apologize for the short ending. This was supposed to be a longer vlog. Unfortunately, I do not know where my videos or the rest of my clips went from this day. But if you guys could just like, comment, and subscribe. I got future videos coming. And just let me know what you want to see next. And also, if you do have any tips, tricks, or comments about my vlogging as well as my writing, it would be appreciated. See you guys.